In this video, we're going to be taking a look at the Salesman Commission by Collection report. First, click on Report, Salesman Report, and Salesman Commission by Collection report. Here in this page, you'll be required to fill in your preferences for the Salesman Commission by Collection report that is going to be generated by the system, such as the date ranges, the customer type, the credit term of the customer, the salesman filter, the salesman, and whether or not the report should base their sales targets on collection amount, and whether or not the report should show commission details. Now, for those that don't understand the difference between by document header and by document detail, let me explain. So when creating an invoice sales or cash sales, you have the option to enter two types of salesman. The first being the salesman that handles the whole invoice or document, which you fill in this salesman field up here, and the second one being the salesman that handles each individual item that is in a sales invoice or cash sales, which you enter down here by this item list. So if you selected the option by document header, it means the system will generate the report based on each salesman that were responsible for each whole invoice. And if you selected the second option, which is by document detail, the system will then generate the report based on each salesman that handles each individual item in each invoice, which are the ones down here. Now that that's clear, we'll go back to the report page. And let's say I want to generate a Salesman Commission by Collection report for the month of November 2024 for the salesman, Lo Wei. So in the date of sales fields over here, in the first box, I'll select 2024, November 1st. And in the second box, I'll select 2024, November 30th. For the customer type field, I'll leave them as all since I want to view all types of customers. And for the credit term field, I'll also leave it as blank. And over here by the salesman filter, I'll select by document detail. And as for salesman, I'll click on select agent and I'll select Lo Wei in this list. So after I'm done, I'll click on generate to generate my report. And as you can see, the system will generate for me a salesman commission summary by collection report for the month of November 2024 for the salesman, Lo Wei. In this report, I can view details such as the salesman name, the customer type, the customer code or name, the date of transaction, the reference number of the transaction, the vehicle number, sales, tax, total, and collection amount, as well as their collection date. The report generator will also show the commission of the agent at the very right of the report. Now, if you would like this report to be more detailed, you can go back up here and check the Show Commission Detail checkbox. So once you have done so, you can click on Generate, and a more detailed report will be generated instead. Now the report will also display items that were included in the transaction as well as the sales percent of this item. Other than that, if you would like to change this sales target to be based on collection amount, you can also go back up and check the sales target based on collection amount checkbox. After that, just regenerate your report. And as you can see, the sales target will be changed into collection target. Continuing on, if you would like to download this report, you can click on the download button over here. And if you would like to print it out, you can click on the print button over here. Finally, if you would like to export this report into an Excel or PDF file, you can click on these three buttons. Export Excel data and Export to Excel will export this report into an Excel file, while Export to PDF will export this report into a PDF file. So that's it for this video. Thank you for watching.